Dangerous cookware to avoid. Titanium is best. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. You know, health-conscious people, and I know many of them, go to great lengths to eat only organic foods with no preservatives. But the cookware that you use to cook your food is also very important. Why? Because cookware can leach dangerous chemicals and heavy metals into the food that you eat over time, which can accumulate in your body. This has been proven. And some of these chemicals are more dangerous than any man-made preservative or artificial substances. So you really want to try to avoid or minimize your use of dangerous cookware and use the safest cookware that's available. So what cookware is dangerous? Well, here's the list. Teflon cookware probably is the most dangerous. Aluminum cookware, copper cookware, and then even cast iron cookware has some drawbacks, as does ceramic cookware, enamel cookware, glass cookware. Even surprising that glass cookware would be a problem, but a lot of glass cookware contains some lead actually. And even stainless steel cookware can leach certain metals into the foods that you're eating. So they all have some problems that you should be aware of. Titanium cookware is actually the best. It doesn't react with the food while you're cooking the food in the cookware. Experts say that part of a prudent cancer prevention program is the use of high-quality titanium cookware. The premium titanium cookware costs a bit more, but it appears to be worthwhile as an investment from a health standpoint. So to get the details, click on the link below to read my blog article on this subject. You'll see the scientific reference there as well. It'll explain how the different types of cookware are dangerous, exactly how it all works. It's really worth a read.